Stepping up from the LX line, the ultra high-end R series starts with the R line of boats. On the exterior, you're able to expand your color configurations by adding your choice of either an upper or lower accent. New for 2021, you may choose both, giving you a dual accent. All new for 2021, the R, Q, and QX lines sport the Commander dash with the latest in tech and are ready for optional Simrad or Garmin screens up to 12 inches, with a second screen configuration coming soon. This new dash places illuminated push buttons, an integrated wireless charger, Garmin Striker 4 depth finder, and a centrally located cup holder and radio controls, all within reach of the captain. The R line has the latest technology, including 2 high-speed USB and USB-C charging stations that charge up to 6 times faster in both the bow benches and a hidden wireless charger in the starboard armrest. The R line has 3 distinct furniture styles available, including the new RQ Sport furniture that comes standard with a cladded luxury recliner with available toe kick lighting. The entire R series also comes standard with RGB lighted speakers. The premium sound system is powered by an easy-to-use Rockford Fosgate PMX2 stereo and kicker speakers. An optional Roswell premium audio package with upgraded speakers, subs, and amps are available for those who demand audiophile fidelity at maximum volume. This audio package is purposely built and tuned exclusively for Bennington and a pontoon boat's unique soundstage. These speakers, subs, and amplifiers are not just an off-the-shelf audio kit, but a custom-tuned musical masterpiece. There are over 60 floor plans to choose from in the R lineup, including models featuring the Club Aft Furniture Group, a J lounge that converts into a sun pad with a bar top, and a stowable table. Additional configurations available on the R line include windshields, IOs, 10-foot wide beam, and twin engines. Stern drive models are rated up to 430 horsepower, single engine outboard models up to 450, and twin engines capable of up to 900 horsepower.